up, people? So today is, I don't know what day of quarantine. I know it's a Saturday and I need to go grocery shopping. So I am going to do that. I was going to clean my apartment first and then go, but you know, it's like 4:30 right now and I'm just getting my day started. And you know, with these like purge hours, I don't want to be out too late. So I'm still gonna go while it's 4 o'clock and go get these groceries. I don't have a mask, so I'm a little hesitant to like maybe throw on my scarf, my headscarf, you know, wrap that around my head. I don't know, but I'm gonna bring it with me. But you know, like I just don't feel like it's gonna do anything for me. You know what I mean? Because I can it's literally like not that material to like help you from sickness. So yeah, this is just my grocery store outfit right here. If you want to see results of my weight gain journey, this is a little clip of how much weight I have kind of gained. So there's that. But yeah, I was debating on wearing sweatpants, but I feel like I've been wearing sweatpants so long that I feel like they're in pajamas at this point. So I didn't want to go out in pajamas. So let's just get it going. And this is my apartment, by the way, of what I have to clean when I get back. So, ooh, what's that? What's that? What's that? So I found the jackpot with this grocery store that I'm in. They have literally everything. It's brand new. It's quiet. No one's in here. Freaking amazing experience right now. Successful shopping trip. Now I'm gonna head home and get some stuff. There's actually a line outside of the Giant right now, which I feel a little bit bad for because I was taking my sweet time in there because it was so like relaxing to actually find everything that you need and more in there, and it's so calming in there. It was just great. It was a great experience. I had a great time in that Giant, so thank you to my sister for telling me that this place is open because I didn't even know it was down here. My first time in there. But I'm about to go home now and go unload my groceries and then clean up my apartment, do that fun stuff, and then yeah, I was gonna stop at Target because I wanted to get a nail filer because my nails are like literally driving me insane. But I actually still might do that because I really need a nail filer and then just go home after that. So before I go anywhere, I need to hand sanitize. So let's do that. Sanitize it on up. Been in there with all those germs. Just a little bit more on the tips of my fingertips. All right, let's go. All right, so I just got home. Let me turn on my music. I just got home from shopping and I'm about to put away all my stuff. I'm gonna clean. All right, so let's put away the stuff. I love this song, Don't Rush. It's been like stuck in my head. We're gonna start this song. They've been doing a little Instagram, little Twitter challenge thing. It's called Don't Rush. Alright, so I just cleaned my apartment. It's now dark outside, so let's see how it looks. Nice and cozy. Ooh. So we're all nice and clean now. Nothing was on my floor. Kitchen is cleaned. And here is cleaned. And my bedroom is clean. And while I was cleaning, I found this candle. It's Snickerdoodle. You can't probably see that, but it smells really good. So I am about to eat something. I really don't want this pizza. I bought like a family pack of pizza yesterday. I ate one pizza yesterday by myself, so I really don't want any more, but I don't feel like cooking. Oh, let me show you what I got from the grocery store. So I'm all like kind of stocked up there. Got some fruits, bacon, stuff like that. Have some meats and some stuff. And I got some snacks in there, stuff like that. So I think I'm going to make a protein shake and eat some fruit and maybe a slice of pizza. I know that sounds like a weird combination, but I really need to drink my protein shake today. And I don't think I've eaten today either, so I probably need to do that. So I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching my clean with me and shop with me quarantine edition. I will see you guys in my next video. I have videos from weeks before that I will post coming soon. So stay tuned, please subscribe, and see ya.